Beneath the roaring skies and shifting earth, nature unleashes its most primal fury. In a breathtaking display of fire and ash, the world is forever reshaped by forces beyond human control. This is the raw power of the planet, caught in a moment of cataclysmic transformation, where creation and destruction collide in a spectacle both terrifying and awe-inspiring. These are the top 5 volcanic eruptions. Mount Tambora, Indonesia. 1815. Volcanic Explosivity Index. 7. Casualties. 71,000, direct and indirect. Impact. Largest eruption in recorded history. Caused the year without a summer, 1816, leading to massive crop failures and famine in Europe and North America due to global cooling. Eruption volume. 160 cubic kilometers of material ejected. Krakatoa, Indonesia. 1883. Volcanic Explosivity Index. 6. Casualties. 36,000, mostly due to tsunamis. Impact. Eruption and resulting tsunamis destroyed over 165 coastal villages. The explosion was heard over 3,000 miles away. It caused a noticeable drop in global temperatures and brilliant sunsets worldwide. Ash plume. Reached 80 kilometers into the atmosphere. Mount Vesuvius, Italy. 79 CE. Volcanic Explosivity Index. 5. Casualties. 16,000. Impact. Infamously buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under volcanic ash and pyroclastic flows. Preserved many aspects of Roman life. Historical importance. One of the first well-documented eruptions in Western history. Novarupta, Alaska, USA. 1912. Volcanic Explosivity Index. 6. Casualties. Few due to remote location. Impact. Largest eruption of the 20th century. It created the Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Ejected 30 times more material than Mount St. Helens in 1980. Volume. 13 cubic kilometers of ash and pumice. Mount Pinatubo, Philippines. 1991. Volcanic Explosivity Index. 6. Casualties. 800, many due to lahars and disease afterward. Impact. The second largest eruption of the 20th century. Injected 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere, cooling global temperatures by 0.5 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 years. Evacuation. Saved thousands of lives due to advanced warnings. As the dust settles and the earth finds its new form, the story of nature's unstoppable power continues to unfold. Stay curious, stay amazed, and witness the incredible forces that shape our world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic explorations of our planet's wonders. Your next adventure awaits.